Man, it's a beautiful day outside. What a day for me to have hiccups and be stuck inside. Well, I'm not stuck inside because I have hiccups, but just stuck inside because I have work to do. Squeaky floors. I just moved and my new place has squeaky floors. I don't know what you're supposed to do about that. You put like baby powder on it or baking powder, baking soda. I just don't know. I do know I hate hiccups as usual. And they always seem to trigger coughing for some reason. I'm gonna try drinking something.